baked in Raffaello coconut cream cupcakes. This one is for my coconut lovers. It's so delicious and the recipe is very simple to follow. Add some soft unsalted butter to a large mixing bowl, followed by white granulated sugar, and cream that really well. Next you need 3 egg whites. I wanted the cupcakes to not be super yellow as it would be in a traditional vanilla cake, which is why I am only using egg white. Next I'm adding in some coconut milk, and fun fact, added in half a tablespoon of white distilled vinegar as she gives you vegan buttermilk. Add in some vegetable oil and combine the liquids together and pour it into your bowl. Always scrape the bowl as you whisk to ensure everything is mixed properly. Now for the dry ingredients, it is pretty much standard: plain flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Sieve this into the wet batter. To enhance the coconut flavour, I'm using some desiccated coconut. I used around 3 tablespoons and I'm using a spatula to incorporate the dry ingredients. Now the best part of these cupcakes is of course the Raffaello. I made 12 cupcakes, so 1 pack of these should be more than enough. Add the Raffaello to the bottom of the cupcake cases and top off with the batter. I always use a large ice cream scoop because it gives me the perfect measurement. Bake this in the oven for 25 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius, just trust me on this. And whilst that was baking, I made the frosting. So again, the standard: beat the soft unsalted butter until it's pale in colour, add in the sifted icing sugar and then add in your coconut cream. The consistency does get quite runny, so it is important to add another cup of icing sugar. You can see these sinks in the cupcakes, which is nothing to worry about because that is just the part where the Raffaello is. Now to pipe the icing on, you need some piping bags and wrought in 2D piping tips. These are linked in my bio, so make sure you go check that out if you're interested. To put the icing in the piping bag, I usually just get a tall glass or mug, flip the piping bag over and add on the icing because it makes the process so much easier. This is quite a runny icing, so I did have to pop this in the freezer for 10 minutes to give it some structure so it pipes beautifully. But yeah, that's how easy it is. Enjoy!